G'day, Sambo here. It is 21st of February 2018. Another batch of soap, this time something different. 100% lamb tallow soap with mimosa and mandarin fragrance oil. Quite pleased with this so far. A little bit of soda ash on the top, I can live with that. I should be able to just get that off with a wipe with a damp cloth. There's a nice hard bar. These little heart moulds are just sitting out on the bench for about, I don't know, about 22 hours I suppose, just under a day. Beautiful and hard, harder than the other soap I make, which is a mix of olive oil and shea butter, and so, recently it's been macadamia nut oil with a bit of tallow, coconut oil. Definitely harder. And you can see this mould has been in the fridge overnight, but I've never had the soap pull away from the edges of the mould like this. And of course you can see soda ash here. Now it's not only just the recipe I've changed for this batch, but I also used less water in the batch, so it's only 25% water compared to about the 38% that I usually run. So it's the tallow that's made it harder, and in combination also with the water discount. So really happy with that so far. I don't have the tripod with me, so I'm just going to pause this while I unmould. We'll have a look at the cake, the loaf without the mould, and then I'll cut it up and we'll see how it looks. So that came out of the mould really easy. It was just a matter of tipping it upside down and it just dropped out. Take my baking paper off, some marks there where it's been creases in the paper. But again, a nice hard loaf. Really happy with that. It's going to be fun cutting it though. I don't imagine that will be actually fun. I'll get onto it. Alright, it's cut and you can see it's no way is that uniform. Look at this, look at this. I couldn't use the miter box. Got some gel phase there, I can live with that. Why the wonky cutting? Because this is hard. Too hard really. Well, I probably should have unmolded it and cut it this morning. I think 10 hours in the fridge would have been more than enough. You know, I've got some really wonky bars there. So basically I've just made myself a whole lot of soap for my own personal use. Now, having said all of that, I think for individual moulds the 24 hours is pretty much bloody perfect. So anyway, I'm going to get onto this mess, get this up on the drying rack, clean up my mess, and I'll talk to you in another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.